The most expensive blood in the world is not human blood. It does not belong to a rare mammal or an exotic bird. It comes from an ancient marine animal. That animal is the horseshoe crab. The horseshoe crab is not a true crab. It is a marine arthropod. This species has existed on Earth for more than 400 million years. It survived long before dinosaurs appeared. It also survived multiple mass extinction events. This makes the horseshoe crab one of the oldest living species on the planet. Horseshoe crabs are mainly found along the Atlantic coast of North America. They're also found in parts of East and Southeast Asia. They live in shallow ocean waters. During breeding season, they move towards sandy beaches. Most animals have red blood. Red blood contains iron. Iron reacts with oxygen and gives blood its red color. Horseshoe crabs do not use iron. Their blood contains copper. This copper-based molecule is called hemocyanin. When hemocyanin reacts with oxygen, the blood turns blue. This is why horseshoe crab blood is blue. The real value of this blood does not come from its color. It comes from its immune response. Inside the blood are special immune cells called amoebocytes. These cells produce a substance called limulus amoebocyte lysate. It is commonly known as LAL. LAL has a unique ability. When it comes into contact with harmful bacterial toxins, it reacts immediately. Even a microscopic amount of contamination can trigger a reaction. The blood forms a gel instantly. This reaction is extremely sensitive and highly accurate. Because of this property, LAL is used worldwide in medicine. Before any vaccine or injection is approved for human use, it must be tested. Intravenous drugs, surgical tools, and medical implants are also tested. This testing prevents contaminated product from entering the human bloodstream. Without this test, modern medicine would be far more dangerous. This is why horseshoe crab blood is considered extremely valuable. When processed for medical use, its value can reach tens of thousands of dollars per liter. Only small quantities are needed, but the accuracy makes it priceless. The blood collection process is carefully controlled. Horseshoe crabs are collected during specific seasons. A limited amount of blood is drawn using sterile methods. After extraction, the crabs are returned to the ocean. However, this process still causes stress. Some crabs do not survive. Others show reduced health after bleeding. Because of high demand, horseshoe crab populations have declined in some regions. This decline affects more than one species. Horseshoe crab eggs are a major food source for migratory birds. If horseshoe crab numbers fall, bird populations also suffer. This creates a chain reaction in coastal ecosystems. To reduce this impact, scientists developed an alternative. It is called recombinant factor C. This laboratory-made method can detect bacterial toxins without using animal blood. Some pharmaceutical companies have adopted this method. However, horseshoe crab blood is still widely used around the world. The transition to alternatives is slow but increasing. Until then, horseshoe crab blood remains a critical part of medical safety. This story is not about money. It is about biology. A simple marine animal plays a key role in protecting human lives. The most expensive blood on Earth is not red. It is blue, and it belongs to an ancient survivor that keeps modern medicine safe. Horseshoe crab blood is not only valuable because of bacteria detection, it also has one of the strongest natural immune responses found in marine animals. Unlike humans, horseshoe crabs do not have adaptive immunity. They rely entirely on innate immunity. This means their immune system reacts instantly, without learning or memory. Because of this instant response, their blood can stop infections faster than most animals. Another unique quality is blood stability. Horseshoe crab blood remains effective. Under a wide range of temperatures, it does not lose sensitivity easily. This makes it ideal for laboratory testing. Even small environmental changes do not reduce its accuracy. The blood also reacts specifically to dangerous bacteria. It does not respond to harmless substances. This precision reduces false results in medical testing. Because of this, vaccines and medicines tested with this blood meet extremely high safety standards. Horseshoe crab blood is also important for space research. Medical equipment sent to space must be completely sterile. LAL testing is used to ensure no bacteria survive on spacecraft surfaces. This protects astronauts from dangerous infections. Even beyond Earth, horseshoe crab blood plays a role in human safety. Another important quality is evolutionary efficiency. This immune system design has remained almost unchanged for millions of years. It proves how effective and reliable it is. Very few biological systems remain useful for such a long time. Horseshoe crab. Blood is one of them. The blood also plays a role in environmental monitoring. Scientists use LEL testing to detect bacterial contamination in water sources. This helps in identifying pollution and health risks. Clean water testing is another indirect benefit of this unique blood property. Horseshoe crab blood is also valuable because it cannot be fully replaced yet. Synthetic alternatives exist, but they are not universally accepted. Many regulatory systems still require natural LEL testing. This keeps demand high across the world. Another quality is low failure rate. Medical tests using this blood have extremely low error margins. This reliability saves lives every day. Hospitals depend on this accuracy. Any failure could have serious consequences. The blue color itself helps scientists. It makes contamination reactions easy to observe. This visual clarity reduces human error during testing. Finally, horseshoe crab blood represents a balance between nature and medicine. A single marine species supports global healthcare systems. Its value is not just financial, it is biological and medical. The most expensive blood in the world is expensive because it works and because human lives depend on it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating science discoveries.